Hi to all the viewers out there from Learner's Deck, and today we'll be working on Google Docs and we'll see some formatting tactics within Google Docs and how they can be helpful to all of us. So the very first thing that we'll be handling here is the headers and the outlines. We'll see what is the usage of these outlines and how we can use it within our document. So let's change the name of the document as header maybe. Now, let's write some text. Maybe, for example, digital and agile shift, and then maybe project management. So now, this is some small text, and normally we do have documents of pages and pages in a regular routine, but this is just a small three-liner document just to make sure that you have understood all the features here. The features that we'll be discussing here are headers, and then we'll see how this particular area, the outline area, is helpful for people who are working in Google Docs. So the very first thing that you have to do is just select the word or the particular text which you would like to be placed as a heading. Go here to the format tab, and then you have to select paragraph styles. In paragraph styles, we'll start with the heading 1, and it's there. See, before making it a header, the outline tab was empty, but now as we have made this as heading 1, so the outline carries this digital or the complete heading text as well. We'll do the same for agile shift, and then for project management as well. See, it's all there. Please note that the major purpose of this is actually to work smartly. For example, if you're working on page 50 and there is something related to page 3 and you would like to compare or see or make edits within page 3, you don't have to scroll up and down again and again. Just use this smart feature which is outline and select the heading where you need to provide edits, and the cursor or the screen will automatically be there. For example, just please focus, my cursor is here just after T in the project management, but when I'll select digital from the outline window, see, my cursor will automatically comes here and it will also let me know which page it is. Interesting, isn't it? Yes. So we'll do the same for agile shift. If my cursor is here and I need to make changes or I need to review the project management section, I'll click here and see it's again there. This is very important for sections or documents which are lengthy or maybe carries pages and pages, so you don't need to manually scroll again and again. This is a team collaborative platform but with smart features, so we need to make sure that we are using most out of it like this. Please make sure that you have hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel which is Learner Deck. Stay tuned and thank you for watching this video.